How you guys doing? In today's video, my wife's going to show you how to make a delicious cobbler. So one thing that she's not going to tell you, we have 3 kids. So I know for her, a lot of the times it's super rough to find time to make a large meal. So she's going to do a series on how to do a lot of crock pot things. So the cobbler ended up being the first of many. So she'll show you how to make a cobbler where it's fairly quick, easy, it's absolutely delicious. And she does it taking care of 3 kids. So she finds the time, bless her heart, to get everything done. So check it out.
Hey everybody, my name's Samantha. I'm Aaron's wife, and I told him the next time that I made my peach cobbler that everyone loves, I would go ahead and do it on a video for him so that you all could have the recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it and show you how it's done. You start out by melting 1 stick of butter in the oven and preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Over here, this is just 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. The milk I'm using right now is 2% just because that's what we have, because that's what our baby drinks. So all you have to do is make sure that's all incorporated, and you will have some lumps, and that's okay. I love how easy this cobbler is, and it takes very few ingredients to make. It looks like that's about ready. Okay, so what we're gonna do, sounds like one of my kids is watching Frozen. We're gonna pour this bowl right into the melted butter. Okay, and then I'm using this can of peaches right here. This is actually in heavy syrup, but if you wanted a healthier alternative, you could of course do it in like fruit juice or the water. And you pour the whole thing, juice and all, in it. And try your hardest not to stir it around too much. So see how I've just kind of laid it on top. What the batter's gonna do is it's gonna rise up, and you're gonna be amazed how that awesome crust forms. That's my most favorite part about this cobbler. Very last, I'm just gonna sprinkle on some cinnamon. Just a nice little sprinkle on top. I always put way more cinnamon on in my recipes and in my pumpkin pie. My pumpkin pie is mostly cinnamon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it into the oven right now at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna check it. And if it seems like it's still a little too doughy, we're gonna put it back in for another 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's pulled out. Okay, I just took it out of the oven. It did take 40 minutes in a 350 degree oven. And you can see you might even be able to hear it. It's still bubbling. It's really, really hot. When it cools down, it sets up really nicely. And it's so yummy and gooey and delicious. I hope you give it a try.